newborn hairline.
Merry Christmas, baby. Should you treat me nice?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now before we get into the install, just know this is the first time I have tried a wig like this from Hairvivi. There's no hair out on this wig. I didn't pluck or pull no hairline. I didn't use no powder in my parting space. I barely tinted the lace around the hairline. Listen, if you're looking for a high quality, natural textured wig, this one may be the one for you. And y'all know it's still Wigmas, so I'm coming with the gifts. Hello. Pin comment down below. Before I show you guys how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, I have tried my fair share of Hairvivi units on my channel, and let's just say my review for them is pretty much always the same. They're high priced, they have good quality hair, they come pre-styled for the most part, they have good plucked hairlines, they have bleached knots, they come with all the little extras. They are worth the money in my opinion. My only drawback for their units was they don't come with texture. They mainly come in a silky texture, which, you know, is just not my ministry. I like a more textured wig for me. Look, Hairvivi has the yak. It already comes pre-curled, so all you gotta do is touch up the curls if you want. It also comes with a newborn hairline. Hairvivi. Folks already talking about us about the, you know, the baby swoops and the adult swoops. Newborn hairs, Hairvivi, I don't want, no. That's what it says on the site, but the name of the unit is the Max True Hairline. It gives a very like effortless type of hairline. So, you know, I ain't mad at it. I'ma just need to kind of brush mine back a little bit so it doesn't look too off from the rest of the hair. Mine did come with the fake scalp in it. And I will say this texture for the fake scalp actually blends a lot nicer than I've seen it in past units for Hairvivi. So I'm hoping it will still blend once I put the wig on my head. I don't want to create two lines of demarcation, so I want to be real careful with how I put this wig on my head. Let me go ahead and cut off my tag. This elastic band is real nice. That's one thing that I do like about Hairvivi. They do what works for them. They don't hop on a bunch of trends with different colors and things like that. They are very focused on giving high quality to what they already have. I'm pretty sure Hairvivi wigs run big head friendly on me. Their wigs, like I said, come pretty much ready to wear. They're already pre-washed, they're styled, they smell good. They're just clutch, okay? They are clutch. I definitely can see what they're trying to do. I didn't put no powder on my lace because it was not needed. Put this up, don't fall. Y'all see that hairline? Okay, baby hairline. This hair does not want to stay up, so let me stop being lazy. Let me clip it right. I think it follows around my ear. I'm trying to see without my glasses, and that's just not working, Kai. Definitely cut this off your head if you feel like you can't do it with it on your head. This is gonna go really fast, and I'm thankful for it because I got plans today while the kids are at school and Ken's at work. I'm going to pick up the rest of their Christmas presents, and I might as well look cute while I'm doing it. This wig is definitely big head friendly. I'm pretty sure they come in either size 1 and size 2 caps, or they come in small, medium, and large. But as always, my size will be down below for the unit that I got. This looks really good. Let me get my brush. I'm just gonna brush this hair back. I do wish my hairline had a little bit more hair right here. It's giving me kind of a square look right now, so I gotta fix that. Let me see if I brush it forward, what will happen. So I like this, that's good. I think I need to cut off a little bit of lace in the front. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Ooh, I hope I don't mess this up. Just right across the front. Right there. I think that worked. I think that worked. Yes, I'm using my scissors because I think it'll still blend perfectly. Still a little square, but we're gonna try to still work with what we have. I'm gonna use my melt spray, sprayed across the front here, across the lace, right on the edge. They did send me an edge brush. Brush back those hairs. Put a little bit on the sides. I'm not even gonna bother putting down my ear tabs just cause my hair will more than likely be down. Ooh, my forehead is on display, child. And I guess they got tired of me talking about their lack of bands because they did send me one. It's real bougie, but we still gonna put it on our head. There's no stretch to that joint, but big head gang gang she is. Let me get my paddle brush and brush it. I rarely curl my yaki or kinky straight textures anyway, but since it already has a curl, I'm just gonna freshen it up. Put my glasses back on. What am I thinking? Use my cheap little curler. Curl them up, curl them up, curl them up, curl them. Ooh, wrong way, wrong way. 3 curls on each side. Take a little bit of my Tresemme spray. Do this side. Ooh, whew, in my mouth. Do 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 da do da. You're new here. I'm not a curler. Okay, I don't sit here and part the hair and curl and all. No, I don't do them perfect curls. I do the very least to look good. Okay. Flatten out my top. That parting space is back there. Ooh, I got some shedding on the curling iron. So you may get some shedding on your wig. Bump that up in the front. And let me take off the wrap in the back and see what we sitting like. Oh, she's stuck. Bring it down, peel it. Take your, oh, wait a minute, golly. Take your time taking this off. Ooh, hairline is looking good. She's just really square. To alleviate that, I probably could have moved my unit up a little bit further so that I could utilize a little bit more of the hairline for my head. But I will say the way that it looks across the front, it looks really good. Let me bring this down right here in the front so I can see that part. My eyebrows look a little funky. Hold up. I don't think I need to put too much contour around my hairline. I feel like it's blended pretty well. You try to tap it on the paper. Ugh, why are you in my face? Just a little bit over here on this side. I don't feel like I need it across the front. Why are there so many flyaways, Hairvivi? Let me use a little bit of my setting mousse. Put that on the flyaways. Maybe that'll help. Ooh. Is this the first time I got ear tabs? Like, you know, like lace around my ear? I rarely get that because my wigs are too small, but I got it today. That over there looks good. Maybe if I let me kind of brush this part to the front a little bit. Okay, so here's the final look. What do we think? That hairline looks good. I just needed my hairline to be a little less round, but this kind of matches what my natural hairline looks like. So maybe I'm just not used to that. I'm so used to wearing wigs and making my own hairline that I don't know what it looks like to actually have a hairline that looks exactly like mine. My forehead is, let me come up closer so y'all can see the hairline on me looking good, looking great. I know. The parting space in this unit is nice, so if you don't want to do the middle part, you want to do a side part, you can do that. No extra product. I have on a black wig cap, and she is blended down. When I say this looks natural, I mean it looks natural. That newborn hairline. This is what my hair would look like if I did a sew-in or, you know, had some leave out. Like, it would look just like this. The hair texture is really soft. Again, this is a yaki texture, but it's still giving like a silk press feel. Hairvivi had to slip in that silky real quick, but it's definitely giving silk press vibes, and I actually really like this wig. This is definitely my favorite wig from Hairvivi. The density is very natural. They pretty much do everything for you. You just gotta cut the lace off. Now, if you wanna come in a pre-cut joint like this, Hairvivi, you're gonna be in there. This is definitely the vibe for me. I like it, Hairvivi, bars. I know I had to do a ponytail. This is how my sides are looking. Let me bring the hair to the front. Real natural, okay? Real natural. I like it. I like it. What y'all think? I know. Okay, but like I said, Hairvivi does come for the ducats. You need the cash money, okay, for Hairvivi. So if this one is not for you because of the price, I definitely understand, okay? We are not in the business of buying wigs that we cannot afford. But if you want to save throughout the year and double back to this one, you can definitely do it. If you want to add this one to the list for Daddy Pawpaw, you can definitely do that. If you want to pass the plate around to all the sugar baes, you can do that as well, okay? You do what you need to do to get this wig if you want this wig. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.